Big Sal here. What we're going to do is, you see this here Dodge. What year Dodge is this? 2000 Dodge. Look at the rust on the bottom of that door. Look at that. Look up here. We're going to show you how to take care of this rust. Quick, simple, and cheap. And then we're going to send the truck down the road. So on our next video, we'll show you how to get rid of the rust, and then we'll show you how to hide the rust. I'll just walk around this 2000. It has a 5.9 Cummings in it. It's automatic. Really not too bad of a truck other than the rust issues in the body. He's doing right now what I refer to as bullshit body work. That's right, bullshit body work. He's grinding away the rust to try to find some metal. Then he's going to go to town with it. He's going to show you how not to fix it. Big Sal out of here.